Hi guys, this is Graham. I'm here at the Glow Community Center, and today I will be teaching you how to do a spider web. A spider web looks like this. Now some of you may have seen it before. It's a really popular trick, and I'm going to break it down for you step by step. So, first step, unlooping the yo-yo. Then, you're going to turn and stand on the right side of the yo-yo. You were standing like this before? Now you're going to be in this position. Sticks pointed at each other. Same position as a monkey tumble. If you haven't seen that video, go check that out first. Left and right pointed at each other. Standing on the right side. Now, like the first step of a monkey tumble, your right stick is going to go over your left under the yo-yo. Then, you're going to stand back behind the yo-yo. Now, from here, you'll see there's a little loop here. Your right stick is going to go into that loop and pull out the string. One more time. Unlooped, turn, over, under, stand back, loop right there. Right stick goes into that loop and pulls out that string, just a little bit. Now, from here, you're gonna gently flick your wrist up and toss the yo-yo up. After that, you're gonna point both sticks up and catch it in the spider web position, like so. Up, catch. One more time. Turn, over, under, stand back, into the loop, pull gently, don't pull too much, just a little bit, and then flick up, sticks pointed up, and catch, right there. Now, to end this trick, all you have to do is point both sticks down, and the yo-yo should be back to an open loop. Turn, over, under, back, in, pull, toss, and down. A common mistake when doing the spider web is when you attempt to throw it out, the yo-yo won't come out, like that. Now, the reason is when you're throwing the yo-yo out, your yo-yo is getting caught in this string right over here, so it's not coming out. Now, to fix that, all you have to do, put your wrists together and then open the front like a V. The front of your sticks, make a V shape, keeping your wrists close together and then flank up, and the yo-yo should come out. Over, under, into the loop, straight up, catch, and down. And that's the spider web. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.